Charlie here with US Pride Products. I just want to go over the different models and the reasons you would buy a particular model for your application. So we'll start off with the HF100 Mini. The HF100 Mini is designed to go on your mini skids, your stand-up skid steers, and it's great for the tree care industry, for going in the backyards and busting up chunk wood. I don't care about diameter, but 3 foot in length. Depending on species of wood, it could go to a 6-foot log, but it's great for that, busting down the oversized material to get it off the job site and not have to take it back to the yard. So the 100 Mini is good for a 3 to 6 foot long log. Then we go up to the HF 150, and this is your standard skid steer model. Standard flow hydraulics, standard skid steer quick attach bracket on it, cone with replaceable tip. And this is good for, again, 6 to 8 foot, maybe a 10-foot log splitter only type application. And then we would step up to the HF 300. Now the HF 300 is a standard flow machine, but it can be run on high flow. It comes with a case drain line on it. So if you're going to run it on high flow, you want to use the case drain line. The hinge frame gives you the ability to run a postal auger, our trommel screen, the stump planer, along with the cone splitter, making it more versatile. The high flow hydraulics gives it more speed and it brings up production. And the 300 comes again with a standard skid steer quick attach plate, hoses, cone, ready to go to work. Then we would step up to the HF 400. HF 400 is our midi excavator model. We can put a bob attach bracket on it or a Wainwright bracket, whatever you need, but it comes standard with the most common, which is a pin grabber bracket. The 400 is for mini and midi excavators. You can run the postal auger, you can run the stump planer and the cone splitter with the 400 as well. So the 400 is for a standard flow, 32 gallons a minute and 3,400 PSI type application. Then we step up to the HF 800. That is our excavator model. It'll split anything you put in front of it. Full tree stumps, full length trees, and any diameter. It's got 15,000 foot-pounds of torque. Goes on an excavator that offers me around 5,000 PSI and close to 50 gallons a minute of hydraulic oil. We would run a postal auger of any diameter, any size you want. It's mainly for busting trees going into the tub grinders or horizontal grinders. The 800 standard that we have right here is going to need 4,500 to 5,000 PSI and 45 to 50 gallons a minute of hydraulic flow to run properly. If your excavator doesn't offer that, then we simply put you into the HF 800 2-speed. Now the 2-speed has the same torque, same kind of specifications as the HF 800, but we don't need the hydraulics, the 5,000 PSI. We can run at 3,400 PSI and 30 gallons a minute and get the same speed and torque that we're getting out of the 800 on a big excavator. The customer can run it on a full-size excavator or a skid steer with high flow and not lose any performance out of it. Great for making it to a job site and doing some cleanup on a landing or something like that and not have to haul a full-size excavator. You can just take the skid steer on a truck and a trailer. And again, it has the same performance as the 800 on a full-size excavator. That is the gamut of models for the US Pride Products splitter line.